मुझे बाउंड्रीज का भी नहीं पता होता था कि हमें बाउंड्रीज भी सेट करनी होती हैं टू प्रोटेक्ट योर पीस. Hello ladies and gentlemen, I am Dilnaz Pathan and in today's video I am going to share about what I have learned before turning 24. Yes, I turned 24 yesterday and I'm so happy because couple of years has been so much tough to me. जैसे कि मेरे बाल पे झड़ रहा है. Because this year and my this birthday has brought so many, not so many, but few happy things into my life, and I'm so grateful for it. My life has changed literally from every aspect from couple of like 3 or 4 years. Yes, I met so many new people, I lost few people, so many things happened, I did mistakes, but overall I'm very grateful for where I am right now, and I'll share what I learned the most throughout this journey. Apparently, I was one of you girls who used to prove everything to everyone without any reason because I felt कि I'm supposed to do this, and I was so stupid. But touchwood, I'm not that girl anymore. Rather, now I'm protecting everything that I have built inside me. And you know what I'm done with? That explaining why I'm distant, explaining people why I have changed, and why I no longer entertain people who don't match peace of my mind. Yes. Second thing is that I spent years of my life being an understanding one, but now I understand myself better than ever and better than anyone because there is so much power in knowing your lane and staying in it, because now you know who you are and what are you doing, why you are doing. You don't have to chase validation from the people who are not meant for you. I was literally doing the same thing. I used to care about everyone, what they are going to think about me, what like everything. And I think once you know, as a woman, once you know what power you hold and what's your worth, you stop chasing people who don't care for you. You stop fixing the things that you didn't break. Also, you stop carrying the baggage of your past, and that's very important, my girl, because most of the time we spent what we did wrong, what others did wrong to us, and इसमें ही पूरा loop में हम घूमते 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 रहते हैं और we are stuck and we aren't doing anything. Why I'm so like this? Haha. Okay. Third thing, that I literally used to bully myself because of making mistakes, because of failing, but now I know that mistakes and failures are just part and parcels of life. Now I know that कि okay, ये गलती कर ली, now you have to learn from it and grow. I am not stuck at one mistake and crying over it anymore. I do learn from that, and I always try to do something amazing out of it. Yes. I have literally come a long way, babe. Literally. I mean, if I remember the couple of last years, like 4 or 5 years, I was so underconfident and I was surrounded by the people. Okay, I was surrounded by. I'm dying! I was surrounded by the people like who were too toxic and negative. I used to carry so many fears inside me, and because of that, मैं बहुत ही डरती थी कुछ भी करने से कि ये हो जाएगा तो ये गलत हो जाएगा. I was always in a strict environment, so my brain was just trained to be scared all the time for doing nothing, for doing just nothing. Yeah. And I was the eldest kid in my family, so I have always wanted a big sister, from whom I can get support, who can guide me. I can share everything with her. I have always wanted a big sister. But, however, I took the charge, and I am very grateful for helping people around me as a big sister now. Yes. Because I know the pain of being underconfident. I know the pain of being scared all the time for just trying something as a woman. I used to literally underestimate myself for everything. Like, तो मेरे में टैलेंट इतना बड़ा है ना अपने आप को बहुत अंडर एस्टिमेट किया करती थी. Another thing is that I have set boundaries. Yes, मुझे बाउंड्रीज का भी नहीं पता होता था कि हमें बाउंड्रीज भी सेट करनी होती हैं टू प्रोटेक्ट योर पीस. एंड सिंस आई हैव डन दिस, I am much more peaceful with myself. I'm telling you, it's very important to set your boundaries with the people around you. Otherwise, they are going to eat you, bro. They are going to eat you. Believe me, they set boundaries. It's up to you what boundaries you have. उसके बाद आता है I have stopped explaining the way I am to everyone. बिकॉज़ ये चीज़ मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा करती थी, बहुत ही ज़्यादा कि मैंने ये नहीं किया, ये किया है, आई एम नॉट लाइक दिस, मैंने माय गॉड बहुत सब याद आता है ना तो बहुत माय गॉड. ओके, सो आई हैव स्टॉप डूइंग दैट एंड सिंस आई एम 24 आई हैव मेड अ पीस विथ माई सेल्फ बिकॉज आई नो हु आई एम एंड आई एम जस्ट लिविंग इट babe. I don't listen to anyone's bullshit now anymore. कि धीरे क्यों बोल रही है, इतना धीरे क्यों बोल रही है तू. एंड एक चीज़ और बता देती हूँ, कट टू एवरीथिंग. आई हैव लर्न डूइंग मेकअप. मैं बहुत अच्छा मेकअप करने लगी हूँ. नॉट बिकॉज कि मुझे अच्छा दिखना होता है, बट आई लव डूइंग मेकअप यार. आई जस्ट फील सो फेमिनिन इन इट. मेरे पास तो चीज़ें भी बहुत ज़्यादा हो गई हैं. आई हैव एवरीथिंग नाउ. आई हैव लिपस्टिक, सो मैनी शेड्स. Then I have eyeshadow palettes, I have brushes, I have blushes, I have eyeliners, and I have the big box. I'll make a video on it. Yeah. Okay. चलो ये सब ख़त्म हो गया. अब आते हैं मेन बातों पे. मेन बात तो कुछ है ही नहीं. आई एम रैपिंग अप दिस वीडियो. And I would like to thank my dad for trusting me, and because of him I'm here. Thank you so much. I always tell him too. Happy 24 to me. Happy 24 to the girl who never stopped showing up for herself. And I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. And also thank you guys for being here and watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.